Are you experiencing the frustrating issue of double-clicking not opening folders on your Windows 10 system? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to fix this problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Adjusting File Explorer options. To begin, right-click on the Start button located on your taskbar. From the context menu that appears, select the Search shortcut. Step 2. Finding File Explorer options. In the search bar, type File Explorer Options and wait for the search results to populate. Click on the File Explorer Options entry to open the corresponding window. Step 3. Opening File Explorer Options. The File Explorer Options window will now be displayed on your screen. This window contains various settings related to file navigation and behavior. Step 4. Selecting double-click to open within the File Explorer Options window, navigate to the General tab. Here, you will find the Click Items as Follows section. Select the Double-click to open an item radio button. Step 5. Applying the changes. Once you have selected the desired option, click on the Apply button to save the changes you made to the File Explorer options. Step 6. Closing the window. To complete the process, click on the OK button to close the File Explorer options window. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of double-clicking, not opening folders on your Windows 10 system. Enjoy a smooth and efficient file navigation experience once again. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.